Hi guys, it's been a while, but guess what I got? I got two sets of scaffolding, exact same one, from two different transactions of OfferUp. One we ordered with wheels, but because it did not have the platform, actually did have one, but it was rotten. I just took it off. That was only for $5, and the one is almost brand new. It does have a little for the door so you can climb up and very safe. That one for $150. I drove in the rain and it was kind of scary, but it was definitely worth it. I mean, you cannot buy those things for like, I think the Home Depot sell it for the $250 or something on a discount right now. But I got it for $155. And it's gonna be a great addition to our tools when we are stacking the blocks. But as you know, we are still in the process of making blocks. And, you know, a lot of people told me that I need to have some kind of table right next to it. So this is gonna be a great table because I can just put the pallet on top of wherever the height we wanna put the platform on. So we don't have to move it till it's cured a little bit. So we are very excited, and we are in the process of getting ready to go out there and try to make some blocks. So stay tuned. We're going to have fun. Have a good day.